According to HubSpot study, LinkedIn is 277% more effective for lead generation than Facebook and Twitter. And while most people don't think of LinkedIn as a place to look at listings and properties or find a real estate agent, they generally visit LinkedIn to network with and learn about other professionals. And for this reason, LinkedIn real estate marketing is a perfect way to engage leads when they are most interested in networking and hopefully most interested in learning about your services. So if you have a great LinkedIn profile and content, prospects will see you as more professional and hireable. Today we will look at LinkedIn for real estate agents and how to get more leads and more referrals and more sales from LinkedIn. And if you are interested in getting more leads and closing more deals for your business and to sell more, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, to get a better return on investment from your real estate marketing efforts, first focus your resources on LinkedIn networking strategy to generate leads and referrals. Now, then optimize your LinkedIn profile by including professional photos, summarizing your experience, and providing valuable content. And then reach out to existing contacts and build your network through mutual connections. Now, let's start with how to set up your LinkedIn real estate profile to get more leads in about 8 steps. When looking to get real estate leads on LinkedIn, start with an optimized LinkedIn profile as well as connected real estate landing page. Choose a professional headshot, summarize your strengths, and build your recommendations and endorsements. And here are the specific steps to take to set up your real estate LinkedIn profile. 1. Upload a professional headshot. If you're trying to get leads and referrals through LinkedIn, first focus on your profile. Your headshot is likely the first thing your leads see on your profile page in search results or when you invite them to connect. So a great headshot is crucial. Use a headshot that shows leads that you are confident, competent, and likable enough to connect with and eventually hire. The image should be also of high resolution and professional, not a grainy image, a photo obviously taken at a bar, or a picture that doesn't reflect who you are as a real estate agent. So after you upload your headshot to LinkedIn, make sure to preview your profile to make sure it is cropped properly. Number 2, choose a background photo that works with your headshot. Here's an example of a background photo that works with the headshot. Now, once you upload a professional headshot on LinkedIn, choose a background that complements it. You don't have to choose a real estate related background photo, but it might help share information with your connections and attract potential leads. Either way, choose an image that is attractive, professional, and doesn't look too busy. If you don't have a great picture ready to go, you can either download a background photo from sites like linkedinbackground.com or download a picture from a free stock image like image site like Unsplash. And Unsplash generally has much higher quality images, but you may have to resize or crop the photo to fit your background. And if you don't have a photo editing software or Adobe PDF, use a site like canva.com or hire a freelancer on fiverr.com to help you. Number 3, use a headline to sell yourself. Here's an example of a headline. After your headshot, your headline is the second most important element of your LinkedIn profile. Your headline on LinkedIn is a short 100-character description of your current role, and generally speaking, your headline should be your job title, but you can and should be creative if you intend to use your profile for real estate lead generation. For example, if you work in Lagos selling properties and love football, make a headline like Lagos Island Realtor since 2016, Chelsea fan since 2006. Alternatively, mention accomplishment like voted the best Nigerian realtor by Industry magazine, or highlight your focus area like Lagos Island luxury homes realtor with landway company. Now, not only does your headline work for you by showing off your skills, but you can also change it anytime to reflect your real estate business better. Write a compelling summary and choose a URL. Here's an example of a summary. After you add a professional headshot, background, and headline to your profile, next write a compelling summary and choose a URL. For your profile summary, draft a concise description of your approach to real estate, details about the team or company you work with, or other relevant details. Your goal is to get your buyer leads or potential investors to call or connect with you, so highlighting career achievements briefly can also help. LinkedIn also allows you to create a custom URL for your profile page, which makes your profile easier to find and easier for leads to remember. Number 5, fill out your work experience, skills, education, and accomplishment. Here's an example of a well-branded and well-optimized LinkedIn profile showing experience, skills, education, and accomplishment. Now, when leads are truly vetting you, they dig deep into your profile and review your work experience, your skills, your education, and accomplishment. To provide a complete picture for your professional background and skills, complete those sections appropriately for your LinkedIn profile in detail, and try to focus on how you helped your clients rather than a boring resume like description of your job duties. Number 6, reach out for recommendations and skill endorsements. Here's an example of a well-optimized LinkedIn profile for skills and endorsement, and with recommendations. LinkedIn provides a recommendations section that allows former clients or colleagues to write up testimonials about your services. And to strengthen your profile, reach out to colleagues and former clients after connecting to see if you can get recommendations for them. Recommendations like these show potential clients that they can trust you and make prospects more likely to reach out for your services. LinkedIn also lets your connections endorse the skills you have on your profile or suggest other skills. Endorsements are most valuable when they are relevant in your area of specialty and come from someone who excels in the same field. To build your LinkedIn endorsement page, consider leaving positive feedback for your colleagues, for your past clients, and other connections to encourage reciprocal endorsement. Number 7, create eye-catching and informative content. Here's an example of articles and activities and content on this LinkedIn profile. Another great way to build your network and convert connections to clients is to produce and publish useful real estate content on LinkedIn. You can write about market advice, notable recent deals and closings, neighborhood news or location news, or anything else that you think will educate and entertain your potential leads. And you can even post videos and infographics to your LinkedIn page. Not only is LinkedIn content a great way to engage current and potential clients, but you can also use the same content to boost the search engine optimization value of your personal website or blog. What's more, you can use the content to link to your internet data exchange, your IDX website, and real estate social media marketing pages to expand your reach online. Number 8, create a lead generation landing page. One of the best ways to add credibility to your LinkedIn profile and capture leads directly from LinkedIn is with a landing page. After you create your LinkedIn real estate profile, create a professional landing page that solicits lead contact information before providing access to a lead magnet, a free offer, or a high value content. This allows you to direct LinkedIn leads directly to your lead capture form. So as we have seen, LinkedIn can be an amazing lead source for real estate agents. And if you want to get more leads on LinkedIn, take the time to create a detailed, well-optimized professional profile and reach out to as many people as possible to build out your network. Once you have a considerably large network, publish informative and entertaining articles and videos to turn your connections into clients. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed. And I have a free gift for you. Check the description section below or comment section. Now go get more leads and close more deals, and I will see you in the next one.